What's going on, guys? I'm in Hamilton, Ontario for the Air Force 100 show. Lots of planes on the ground. Let's go take a look.
Yeah, this was very good. Yeah.
Let's go in here. Let's see what's going on. Alright guys, lots of planes inside. Just like last time I was here. I was here for our Remembrance Day, Veterans Day celebration, November 11th. It's really awkward when I was editing the video because the camera wasn't working, but I did the best I could. So check that video out. Go up in the cockpit here and see what it's like. This is the older Boeing style plane. We got the B-25 Mitchell in the front and the PBY Canso, also known as the PBY Catalina. What's this? A P-51 Mustang. Wow, I've never seen one of these before. One of the things about today is we can actually go in the planes. There's no air show, but we can see all the planes on the ground. Let's climb up into the B-25 first. Alright guys, it's taken forever to get inside the B-25 because the people who are going in, they're coming out the same chute. I don't know, maybe I'll see what happens later, drawback. But if I go in the Canso, it's going to be a lot quicker because you exit out the other side. Guess this is a backup generator.
I know, right? Like parachutes, all of this stuff. So my granddad is really interested on the back of this one. Yes.
If you see anybody wander by with a bottle of water, would you have one?
Yeah, okay.
Thanks.
How you doing?
I'm good, how are you?
Good, thanks.
Welcome to our playhouse.
Not for the claustrophobic, huh?
No. Sometimes it even gets worse.
Oh yeah.
Gotta get into the wing every once in a while, check things out.
Oh man.
I'm the only one that fits in. And the water tank as well.
I've always thought the Catalina was just like possibly the prettiest plane.
Oh, she's sexy. I'll look it out. She's a flying boat, what can you say?
Let's get outside on the tarmac. There's a Chinook helicopter over there. I don't see the Lancaster though. Where is it? Where is it? Long lineup for this, obviously. So how do you steer without a tail rotor?
It's actually, yeah, that's a great question. It's awesome, the aerodynamics. So because we've got two,
Yeah.
like for example, if you want to turn the nose left, it's just gonna rotate the both.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Opposite, so the
It's like
back
that.
goes one way, the front goes the other way.
Oh yeah.
And it'll rotate around the center hook.
Okay.
If you're trying to go forwards, they both go forwards.
Oh yeah.
And then, yeah, it's
High tech.
engineering.
Yeah,
crazy.
engineering, yeah.
It's amazing.
Yeah. So has anybody said this for the day yet? Get to the chopper.
No, they said it yesterday, but you're the first one today. That's awesome.
It's a Lancaster here?
I believe it's inside. Yeah.
No, that's the B25 Mitchell.
Okay.
I haven't seen the Lancaster. That's the 4-engine one.
Yeah, okay.
Right? Yeah. I don't know. Maybe it's down there.
Yeah, I haven't seen it.
You haven't seen it? Yeah. You've just been chilling here, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I'll have to take a walk, but that's the main plane here. You know what I mean?
I know, yeah.
Best is a tarmac.
Yeah.
Pretty cool, huh? How are you, buddy? That's fun.
I love
What'd you say, Logan? What do you love? You love engines? Oh yeah. Like if they're flying around and a small bush plane goes down and you see the person get transponders. They have to be the area. Yeah. What's the range? Range? They wouldn't like it. As far as like
Jack, come look at this big gun.
See this one here?
What gun is this?
It's a C6 machine gun.
Oh, okay.
They're good at what they do, but they're a little more.
Buffalo Airways, nice. That's the Buffalo Airways guys from the TV show. And this is the C30 Hercules, C130 Hercules.
I have one of my cousins back home, so he's an older guy.
Yeah.
We have a lot of like on the side here in the back, so when we're going into a hostile area, the technical crewman and I, we will be sitting in the parachute doors. And right over here we have our, as you can read right there, defensive system flare chaff control handle. So we'll be sitting in the parachute door with the dispenser handle. If we see a threat, or if a threat is called out to us, then we can respond accordingly with this. So all it is, you pull the trigger and then flick up, flick down, and that dispenses chaff or flares. So there's also MWS and RWR capabilities on this plane. So you'll see it in the front underneath the windows, and then you'll see it at the very end of the tail. They look like camera lenses almost. They're like little black glass pieces. So MWS is missile warning system, so it's a receiver for like if for
Incoming missile.
plane. And then RWR is radar warning receivers, the same thing. So tracking missiles and other threats.
When was the last time you used it?
So when I was in Africa, yeah. So in Mali, my first incident with flares, I guess you could say.
RPG attack?
No, so the aircraft, the NWS and RW are very sensitive to light and reflection off tin roofs. There's a lot of tin roofs there, so when we were flying, we were taking off. Plane picked up something. I didn't hear the alarm that typically sounds whenever there's like a reading, and the flare shot out. I didn't press anything, the pilots didn't press anything, so it scared the hell out of me. Because it's basically like a miniature explosion.
Explosions, yeah.
They travel backwards, and then they catch the jet stream, and that's it. So.
And you were like, I'm hit.
Well, yeah, I mean, yeah, it's up to interpretation, really. But they're extremely hot when they burn, so you can feel the heat as it passes by through the window while you're sitting there. It's extremely loud too. So that was my first incident. So I didn't know if we were being shot at or not.
Yeah, guys, even going through the midsection there on the plane talking, we couldn't move further, so I had to come off the back of the plane. I was in there for like a good 20 minutes at least, and the lineup was like half an hour at least. I've seen 3 vehicles in 3 hours. Now apparently the Lancaster's inside, so let's go see that. That's what I gotta see, and then I can shut it down. But yeah, this is not very big show here today. And some people were just telling me that there's a big one in London, Ontario, which is about from here. I'm about an hour west of Toronto, and London's about another hour west of here. So I'll probably go to that one. They said, yeah, it's pretty much all or most American military planes and stuff. And the guy was saying that they don't have many older planes. Here we are, guys. Look what it is. The Avro Lancaster with a badge on it for the Air Force 100 show today. Let's walk around here and see where we can get on the plane.
Bag.
Actually, you know what? Can you just hold this up for me? It's on video.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna stand there posing and take some snapshots. All right, here we go, guys. Not quite into the belly of the beast. That's the belly of the beast right there. You get a shot there first. The gunner's positioned in front, nose gunner. Yeah, he said don't keep your even your little bags on, because it's pretty tight in here. It'll get caught on stuff. Yeah, look at all the mechanics in here, guys. Some obviously slightly newer stuff there. I did wear a white t-shirt today because it's hot out. Might still get covered in grease. Pilot's chair. Here we go. How you doing?
Good. How you doing, sir?
All right. I saw you in one of the videos.
In one of the videos?
Yeah. I post to YouTube as well.
Oh, good for you.
Yeah. So hopefully one day I got the money to come and get on a flight here. Yeah, I would love to.
Yeah.
And it's a nice flight path too, over Toronto, over Niagara Falls,
Beautiful.
right?
It's a nice trip. Yeah.
Yeah, you couldn't ask for much more, you know what I mean? All right, have a good day. Yeah, this is pretty tight here. Okay, switching to the phone on the camera because it's dark in here. GoPro doesn't do that well. Maybe if I switch to the night setting. I've never tried that yet. Just climbing over stuff here. There's a little bit of passenger seating. This is installed after the fact for the charter flights. Down into the rear area here. We'll take a look up front again. First time in one of these guys, Avro Lancaster. Some plaques here. You fly in this aircraft at your own risk. It's not comply with internationally recognized standards. Of course. And there's the tail gunner back there. Okay guys, that was fun. Not much to do overall except go into the planes, and this is a small show, but good enough. You know, I'm happy to be here anyway, spend the day down here. Thanks for watching guys. Like, subscribe, share, comment, and all that good stuff.